Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add IDX to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, this will take you to your dashboard right here. So just wait for it to load, and then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site. And then once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. So once you're here, this is how it will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Right here, you're going to find the option to add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and lastly, CMS. So right now, go to add apps. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in the app market. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the app market and then go to the search bar and search for IDX. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then you're going to find this application right here, real estate, manage and display your listing. Go ahead and click on this application. And then you're going to be here in the app page. Click on add to site. And then click on agree and add. And after that, just wait for the app to be added to your site. And right now, as you can see, guys, the application is added. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.